Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and in this video I'm going to be installing a rooftop tent and aluminium frame to this 2011 Holden Colorado that's my brother's, and I'm just going to show you the frame. I'm going to use a frame off of my the old frame off my camper trailer tent. You know, something that if you've seen the previous videos before that I changed the frame on the camper trailer, I'm using the old aluminium frame on this, and I'm going to set this up just so you know, just a quick video, so I've got basically a record of doing it and how I did it, and yeah, and so from there I'll get straight into it. All right, so I'll mark these. This is the frame off the off my trailer, alley frame, and I'll just mark this, I'll cut this and start assembling on the tray. This is the first part of it, and yeah, see how that goes. Right, so I'll cut that, drilled some of it, just wrap them up, see what happens. Later we'll just, I guess these ones I'll drill about here. I'm just going to make sure I've got plenty that side, so I'll just put here. Undo and get the swap out. I'll clean this up and then I'll mount it in position. Alright, so I've got these bits, we've got these cut at 1650 long. Bit of noise, the door's opening in the background, and I've marked the front, marked the top. I'm going to pilot drill them into the top and then drill them out properly and bolt them. Alright, so we've drilled those out. This piece of 40mm by 40mm by 3mm SHS aluminium, and I've put it underneath here, and I'm going to mount it under there because it's all roughly the same size. That's just a tiny little bit lower, that bracket, and then gosh, what am I looking at here? There we go. Tiny little bit lower, that bracket, than this headboard, so we can this should be fine. So I'll just mount this now and see how we go. Yeah, all right. And so I've got these 10mm by 60mm. That should go through. Oh no, I wanted way longer than 60mm. What the crap was I thinking? I can put these in at this end. And because that's aluminium, we don't actually need to put a washer on there. That touches, that's good. 60 mil. Just cheat a little bit. Yes. Alright, well, and so I'll have to go get some longer bolts for the front. Can't believe I made that mistake. That was pretty stupid. Alright, so I've got some longer bolts, and just gonna chuck these in here. Same with the other side. And a washer. Washer. Thank you. And that's tight enough. And a washer. Plenty tight enough. Same thing here. All right. I reckon that is as strong as strong. Strength, and we'll I guess we'll get ready and we might as well whack this tent straight on. Sweet. And so to transfer the tent just took me, my brother and his son Daniel, and we slipped it across and it was all actually pretty easy. Alright, we've got that sitting up there fairly neat. We're just I'm going to mark the centres of the tracks. Just on all four corners. Then I'll move it out of the way and drill the holes because I'm going to mount it straight through these poles, and we'll do the nuts up underneath. And it should be nice and sturdy. All right, and I'll drill these 8mm hole. Get it roughly where I want it. Alright, that's that one. Go around the other side. That. Alright, and drill these little front ones with the markings. And the opposite side. That's that. Alright, so lifting up, put that in there, try to, yep, guided it in. That one went. This one we've got a line. There we go. That's them two in, and then get to this side and we'll do the same. Oh, down a little. Whoop. Oh. It's okay. You can wait there, Danny, if you want. Oh. That's in that one. I'll just come this side. Playing hardball. That's alright. That's okay. Alright. So you can move the tent that way. Oop. That's in. And it's just a matter of putting the nut and washers on and doing it up. But we're going to put those washers on and nuts just loosely. Then we're going to spend some time getting it exactly square, and then we'll be able to fix it down. And so with that centered, I can do these up. Not too tight because these are only M8s. Alright, it is mounted. Time for us to take it out and set it up and make sure everything's what we want and does what it wants. Making sure that everything does what we want it to do. Sweet. All right, so tent is set up on the Colorado. Walking around here, and yeah, it's kind of cool. This is from my brother Craig. He can. This will be his tent now, and what do you know? It's done. You know, it's funny. You know, you give something to somebody and you go, "Oh, that set up easy. It actually wasn't that bad." And you think, "Oh, why am I changing?" But no, I am. I'm changing regardless. All right. Well, that's about it for this very quick video. It's blowing its guts out, but just setting this tent up, putting this frame on here. It was because it was a shame to waste the frame. I was changing everything on my trailer, and it would have been a shame to throw it all away. So I've, my brother's come up to see me, and I've set this frame up on his on his ute, his Colorado, and put the tent up there because I'm getting a new tent, and now he can use it. I mean, I'll probably be camping with him anyway, but yeah, that'll be cool. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will aspire to see you in the next one.